Hi friends, welcome back to DIYs and Crafts with Nosh. Today I'm going to participate in the Funtime Friday hosted by Broke Girl Aesthetic and co-hosted by OK at Home DIY. So our DIY today is super easy and literally in just 2 minutes or less, you'll have created a stunning terrarium. If I'm saying it rightly, terrarium. So all you need are these white rocks, these stones or pebbles, and some of these Dollar Tree faux succulents. You can just pull it out, take off the stem like so, and there you have it. I mean, honestly, this is an absolute no-brainer, and that's the reason it's just in 2 minutes you can have this terrarium ready. So the first step I'm going to, you don't have to use two different set of rocks. You could, if you want, use just one. I wanted to add layers of some elements over here. That's the only reason I've used two different ones. So I've kept the pebbles or the stones on the outside, and these tiny rocks, I've kept them inside the center. So I'm just going to place some of them like so. I've seen these some of these high-end stores carrying some of these terrariums, and they are so exorbitant. And just to think that with a little bit of ingenuity, you can create exactly the same thing in your own house. So I mean, and it's such a statement piece as well. So give it a try. All the all these items you can find at Dollar Tree or even at Dollarama. And the glass, I think the glass bowl was from a thrift store, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so now the next part is to be able to place the succulents. Um, you can play around. There are no hard and fast rules. You can play around with the colors and the kind of textures, or even the designs of the succulents. If you want to place the reds or the oranges or the purples together or away, you can design that. In fact, in the end, what I did was I also added some seashells to it, just to kind of add another layer there. So that's it, and just like that, it's ready. I hope you liked this super easy and super fast terrarium. If you did so, please give my video give my video a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for visiting me. Bye bye.